Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis on Ethereum. Now, what's currently going on is we are seeing a bit of pullback with Ethereum, a good bit of pullback within the entire crypto market. We're really seeing this really hit hard with the altcoins as well. Now, we do have to expect that we would see some pullback with Ethereum just because we've seen so much price movements with it over this last few weeks or so. So now what we have going on is we're seeing just what could just be a possible correction, because we still know that there's still great catalysts there for Ethereum that we're going to be going into in September. So with the merge and all that. So let's just take a dive into what's currently going on. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash Destroy Annihilate, or just gently press that like button to help me out with the algorithm and help spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. Now, let's get to it. So this is what we got going on with Ethereum right now at the moment. Now, there has been a lot of volume activity. So I think that we are within a correction, looking at how we've more than likely had our fifth wave that we've had, and now we're in that ABC correction right now. Now, there's been a lot of volume activity that has come in, a lot of stop losses that most likely were set. And as the price was dropping, we saw a lot of those stop losses initiate sells, some profit taking going on, and that's what drove that price down even lower. More than likely, that was the case. So this is just giving us a really big correction, maybe a lot of an overcorrection, I would say, because we are more than likely in oversold territory looking over at the RSI. So that's what that could mean. Possibly we've seen this oversell, and now what we might be seeing, especially just looking at the volume activity, how we have some a good amount of green bars recently in there here on this 4-hour chart. So maybe this might be that turn in direction that we need for Ethereum. And seeing how things are starting to ease up on the MACD, that might be that sign there that things are starting to turn around a bit from this correction. So we'll have to see how that plays out. So looking at our Fibonacci retracement from that low point that we had, where it was under $900 back in the middle of June, to our high point where we had topped off at about $2,000 in the middle of August. Seeing how from that low point to this high point, we have already dropped below that 38% level, and now we're starting to climb back up a little bit, at least at this moment from what it looks like. And hopefully, if we continue the momentum that we were on before, we might be able to be seeing Ethereum start to retest that $2,000 price if we can just see this be a full-on correction with that previous momentum that we had. And that would be nice to see if we can start to retest that $2,000 price here very soon, possibly even by September 1st, if that's the case, or before. But I expect that we're going to possibly see more momentum, given the fact that we have that catalyst there with the Ethereum merge. As long as nothing goes wrong with that, and this keeps going the way that it was after this correction, then I think that's a real possibility to see us go back and retest that $2,000 price. But nothing's guaranteed in stone, so we'll have to see how that all plays out. So here is our bullish, bearish, and even a neutral case scenario here off of the Fibonacci retracement possibilities that we would see the price go to by September 1st. And I just think that the possibility of us going from the current price we're at, we're between $1,550, $1,600, that we could possibly be hitting that price of $2,000, start retesting that by the first. That's just judging off of where we had gone from this previous point within the Fibonacci price, and seeing it go to that $2,000 price within just a matter of 8 days. So I think that if we were to continue that type of trend, then there's that possibility that we could do such a thing. But also, to be realistic, just to see the price possibly trade sideways for a while, that's another real possibility. And that's why I have that neutral price prediction in there. And then the most bearish case scenario would be seeing the price start to go back and just really retrace back to that low that we had seen. But I hope that's not this case scenario. I've heard people say that there's a possibility that that's going to happen, and yeah, sure, anything is possible, but I really don't want to see that with the catalysts that we currently have. I don't want to see that as being a possibility. But anyways, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions about this. Do you guys agree, disagree? What are your thoughts and opinions about this? I would like to know, so please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you guys in the next one, coming very soon.